introduction of wolf noise, wolf's howling. Wolf, as you know, is one of world's most dangerous wild animals. You can't keep them as a pet. It's very dangerous because of its nature, wild nature. Its howling makes you thrilling while you feel you are alone and you are moving in a jungle. That make you really frightened. Usually wolves live in form of groups, but the most special quality of wolf is it will attack alone on its target. They live like a family. One more interesting information: wolves know his siblings. He knows his wives know his husband. Parents know their childs. Even child know their parents. Who was their mother? Who is their father? Even if one of their partner, wife or husband dies, in his whole life he will. He will live all his else life alone. different kind of wolves. There could be different kind of wolves: black, white, grey. These are according to their nature where they are living. The eyesight of